Have you ever read a legal document and come across the phrase subject to the foregoing? It sounds complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Imagine you're following a recipe. The last step says subject to the instructions above. Bake the cake for 30 minutes. That means you must first follow all the earlier instructions before baking. The last step depends on the previous ones. In legal documents, subject to the foregoing works the same way. It means that whatever comes next is controlled, limited, or affected by what has already been stated earlier in the document. For example, if a contract says subject to the foregoing, the buyer may return the product within 30 days. It means the right to return the product only applies if the earlier conditions in the contract have been met. Lawyers use this phrase to avoid repeating the same conditions again and again. Instead, they refer back to the previous clauses. So, whenever you see subject to the foregoing, think of it as saying based on everything mentioned above or as long as the earlier terms are followed. The key takeaway is simple. Subject to the foregoing means the current clause must be read together with and is limited by the earlier parts of the document.